Are you a patron? Are you taking
Yes, we are. Yes, we do.
So then hop on it then.
Yes, we do.
Hop on it then.
No.
Okay. Then you're not a
Make
patron.
me.
Then you're not a
You can't make me. You can't touch me.
Who wants to touch you?
Get more people out here then. You want
This video captures a tense standoff between a family and Metro officers in a parking lot. Officers attempt to remove the family and their belongings, while the family argues they are waiting for housing assistance. Confrontation escalates as tents get kicked, dogs are threatened, and tempers flare. The family insists their rights are being ignored, while officers demand compliance. This encounter exposes conflict between authority and civilians in vulnerable situations.
This is the fat officer who kicked my tent. And this is his bald ass.
You ready to go now?
No, you're leaving. You're gonna leave us alone. Go get Karen Bass right now. Go get her. Why? I can't call her anymore.
She was on her way.
You said she was coming. Go get her right now. Let's go. Honey, turn your cousin's phone on and call cops.
How you calling your phone?
Excuse me?
How you recording your phone?
How is it dead?
You're dead.
How is it dead?
Hey, come on.
How is it dead?
Let's go. Take 13.
No.
Yeah.
No. We're not leaving. You're not touching anything. Because you don't get the choice. You don't have that opportunity. You don't have the ability to touch us or our stuff. Don't on me. Other officers. Police officers who know their job.
Okay.
Not you. You obviously don't.
Car and go.
Why don't you just call, Gutierrez?
I'm not coming up. My phone's coming up. All they have to do is look at their picture, look at paperwork. Michael Myers, look it up.
They're too stupid.
Like that showed us yesterday. Okay, they got a hold of LA Family Housing and found out it was fine, and then they
Of
left.
course, because they can't make you leave.
You can't either.
Private property.
Well,
Private property.
Oh, well, too bad. Actually, it's not private property. No, it isn't.
It doesn't belong to anybody. It's public.
It belongs to the city.
The MTA.
And the MTA
And they
belongs
don't
to the
want you
city.
on here.
Well, that's just too bad. Then they can come down here and tell us.
No, they send us to do that.
Too bad. I don't care. I don't care. You're nobody.
What do you care about?
What do I care about? Not you, that's for sure.
and the help that we need. Yep, that's what we're doing.
You threatened my dog. That's the last thing you're going to do.
I didn't say your dog. You said you care about your dog.
Yes.
Kick my kid, kick my dog.
Ortiz kicked
But
the
he don't feel a
tent.
spot.
Because,
The wind did.
No.
I bumped it.
liar. Honey, just call.
Call. Yeah, call.
Call cops.
Call.
Excuse you? No, you're not.
Yeah, we already.
Cops don't go around.
No one kicked you.
Liar.
No.
You're such a liar. Oh my God. Yeah, you lie.
That's 911.
Close it up.
Hello. I'm being harassed by MTA wannabe cops. What happened is that my family and I, we are in the parking lot of Metro. We have been staying here for a while. Long story, but we've been put out by a shelter because my son is autistic, and we're waiting for LA Family Housing's things to come through for us so that we can have a place to stay. And these two stupid officers are telling us, "You need to get out of here. You need to leave." They kicked our tent, and they're threatening our dogs. They're threatening us, and that's not something that LAPD officers ever do. The parking lots of, yes, the Chatsworth station.
They don't have to.
I'm being harassed physically by police officers, by Metro officers. I need LAPD. I need police officers. Metro PD officers are harassing me and my family.
Metro PD.
They're getting physical with us. They keep putting their hands and their feet on our stuff and our tent. They're harassing us.
Didn't happen.
Excuse me? Metro PD. I need an LAPD. Yeah, no, they're not asking. They're telling us we have to, and no, we don't have to because we're waiting for LA Family Housing. We're waiting for our housing. Excuse me. Yes, we're waiting for our housing to come through. No, we're not on private property. We're in the Metro parking lot.
Yeah, you said you're on Metro parking lot.
Well, I need officers. I still need officers to come out here because they're getting. No, they're not going to help us move. Just send officers. What difference does it make to you?
Huh?
What difference does it make to you? What I'm doing? Why don't you just leave and do your business? Do your job. This is not your job. Harassing people is not. Yeah, do you?
I do.
Really? Go read it.
Sign say.
Not about tents. Doesn't say shit about
Patrons
tents.
only. Are you taking transit? No.
What difference does it make?
I just told you. Are you a patron? Are you taking
Yes,
the
we are.
transit?
Yes, we do.
So then hop on it then.
Yes, we do.
Hop on it then.
No.
Okay, then you're not a
Make
patient.
me.
Then you're not a
You can't make me. You can't touch me.
Who wants to touch you?
Get more people out here then. You want us to move because we're not moving. And you can't touch us and you can't touch our stuff. Yes, I am. Well, that's smarter than you, obviously. Because I know what's going on in this town. You don't.
I don't live in a tent.
No, but you will. I guarantee that.
Whatever you are, slave to the man.
Yeah, he is a slave. I know. They're all slaves.
You're a slave to the street. What's it?
No, I'm not a slave to anything. I'm not a slave. We don't have to go anywhere. We don't have to do anything you say. Because you're nobody. You're just a little piece in the cog. You're no one. Yes. What?
The confrontation ends with the family still standing their ground while officers remain firm on enforcing rules. The family calls for LAPD assistance, claiming harassment and interference with their property. Despite repeated demands, the family resists removal, emphasizing their ongoing struggle for housing and safety. The incident highlights tension between vulnerable civilians and enforcement authorities, leaving viewers with a clear sense of frustration, power struggle, and the human impact of bureaucratic conflicts. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. In this video, a traffic stop turns into a heated argument over a backing incident. The driver receives tickets for careless driving and insurance verification, while insisting there is no damage to the other vehicle. Disagreements escalate over the officer's investigation methods. Requests for video evidence and authority. Voices overlap, tensions rise, and the driver promises to take the case to court. This story shows how quickly a routine stop can spiral into a personal confrontation. Here is another case.
All right, so on this photo, here's your information. On the top screen there is going to be your driver's information exchange. On the top right is going to be your crash report. It takes 8 to 10 business days to get a copy. You're listed there, she's listed there, her insurance, and she's the owner and the operator of the vehicle. My information is listed at the very bottom. Okay?
So who's it? Are you faulting anybody?
So the only violation, I'm not determining at fault because I'm not an insurance adjuster. The only violations of law which I see are going to be for the improper backing, which you were cited for careless driving, and the ticket is listed there. You're also cited because you were unable to provide the insurance. Are you able to provide it now? The updated one? Okay, so you're unable to provide it.
I didn't say that. Let me check, but I didn't see one.
I waited the entire duration of the stop. You haven't got it, okay? You're more than welcome to bring your copy to the clerk of court. They'll dismiss it.
So you want to give me a ticket? So you're giving me a ticket for not having accurate insurance? Okay.
That's not what I said. So I actually can provide you a copy of your updated insurance.
I didn't have it. Okay.
Exactly. So that's why there's the insurance here.
Okay.
I can't verify you have insurance. I'm assuming you do. I'm going to use the information you provided me, but unfortunately I can't verify it because you're a reluctant.
Okay. So what else?
You're more than welcome to go to the IMV, show them the proof there. They'll dismiss the ticket. They charge you a $10.
So what else did you? So what else did you give me a ticket
This
for?
for the careless driving for improper back into the car. All right.
I didn't back into the car.
Sure, that's-
You don't know that.
okay. The same thing.
There's
I'm gonna
no
tell her,
damage to the
sir.
car,
The
dude.
same thing I'm going to tell her is the same thing I told her.
There's no damage to the car.
So I'm going to actually request video footage from her because it's an establishment.
Then you need to write me a ticket after that, not during that.
Because this is an establishment that is corporately owned, I can't walk into the kitchen and request it.
Then why are you writing me a ticket before doing the investigation?
The HR department is taking.
Then why are you writing me a ticket before
Based
doing the
upon
investigation?
Based upon my findings in my investigation.
There's
You're
no
all within your
damage to the
rights.
car.
On the
There's no
backside of
damage.
it,
There's
it
no
tells you that.
damage. There's no
Yes,
damage to the car. That's not
you
me.
did.
That's not it. I didn't do
Okay.
that.
That's more fun.
Okay, first of all, no, I have a right. First of all, the pole's right here. Oh, you're gonna run away now, huh? You're gonna make a little claim and then you're gonna run away. No. Look. No, you got a personal problem and now you're using your authority. No, you are. No, first of all, that pole was the only thing that came close to her vehicle. Now, okay, if it did hit her vehicle, you saw how high it is. Okay, you'll see if you go to Burger King and look at the footage. Listen, you might want to follow through because I'm going to put you on display.
Did you see there's this big thing hanging out the back?
That
of the
would have
car?
put a major dent in the back of the vehicle. That would have put a major dent.
Conducting an
No,
investigation,
the vehicle.
sir.
No.
If you have any
hold on.
issues, you know what you should do.
No, the
Contact your
vehicle.
insurance.
The vehicle was
They'll conduct
backing
an
out. Listen,
investigation.
the
You were not
vehicle.
charged for improper
Look at this
load.
guy. He's over talking me.
I'm just trying
No,
to
the
explain to
vehicle.
you.
The vehicle was backing out this way. The vehicle was backing out this way.
You have your right
I'm trying to talk. You just over talk. You over talk. You're like a liberal, man.
Sir, there's no need to
Jesus Christ. You go. It's backing out. Look.
My investigation.
Look, you're over talking me. I'm gonna see you in court, buddy. I'm gonna see you in court. I hope you get your. Oh, please. I'm taking video of you. You walk behind me too, plenty of times, fat boy. Whatever. Yeah, well, you need to go do something. I'll body shame you anytime I want. I am having a wonderful day. You too, because you did a shitty investigation. Okay? Look at this, man. I didn't do that. I didn't do. You too. You too. I'll see you in court. I promise you. There's no way that happened. There's no way that happened.
That wasn't what I told you.
I don't care. That's not fair, man. That's not fair. That's not fair. He's writing me a ticket, claiming that I scratched that. He has no proof that I scratched their vehicle. He's charging me for...
The video ends with the driver and officer at a standstill, both standing firm in their position. The driver insists the vehicle caused no damage and challenges the ticket, mentioning plans to request video evidence. Arguments over authority, procedure, and personal frustrations continue until the driver leaves, vowing to see the officer in court. This final scene highlights tension, accountability, and how disputes over minor incidents can become major conflicts, leaving the outcome in the hands of the legal system. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.